In this video, you'll learn what crypto hardware wallets are and why they are crucial for securing your digital assets. We'll also cover the popular models, how they work, and how to recover your crypto if your hardware wallet is lost or stolen. Have you heard about people losing their entire crypto savings due to hacks or exchange collapses? When it comes to storing cryptocurrencies, many of us are guilty of taking unnecessary risks. We leave our coins on exchanges or store them in software wallets, thinking that they're safe. But the truth is, these methods are vulnerable to hacks and theft. Just one wrong move and your entire portfolio could be wiped out. Well, I'm here to tell you about a solution that can help you avoid becoming another victim: crypto hardware wallets. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your valuable crypto assets are safe and secure, even if your computer gets hacked or an exchange you use goes bankrupt. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Owl Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore what a crypto hardware wallet is, why it's important, how it works, and the different types available. So let's get right into it. What is a hardware wallet? A crypto hardware wallet is a small physical device that looks like a USB drive designed to securely store your cryptocurrency private keys offline. Think of it as a physical vault for your digital assets. Your private keys are like the password to your crypto, and keeping them offline is the safest way to protect them from hackers and malware. By keeping your private keys offline, you significantly reduce the risk of hacking and unauthorized access. There are many different types of hardware wallets available, each with its own unique features and benefits. Some popular options include the Ledger Nano, Trezor, and KeepKey. These devices use advanced security measures, such as robust encryption and secure chip technology, to keep your coins safe. Why use a hardware wallet? One of the main advantages of hardware wallets is that they're offline, which means they're not connected to the internet. This makes it virtually impossible for hackers to access your coins. Think of it like this. If you keep a large amount of cash at home, you wouldn't leave it lying around. You'd probably store it in a safe, right? Well, a hardware wallet is like a safe for your crypto. It's the most secure way to store your digital assets. How hardware wallets work. Let's break down the process. Every crypto wallet has two keys: a public key, which is like your bank account number, and a private key, which is like your PIN. You need both to access your crypto. A hardware wallet stores your private key offline, completely isolated from the internet. When you want to send crypto, you connect your hardware wallet to your computer. The wallet signs the transaction offline using your private key, and then broadcasts the signed transaction to the blockchain. Now, there are several crypto hard wallets on the market. Some of the most popular options include the Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is a compact and user-friendly wallet that supports over 100 different cryptocurrencies. It's also one of the most affordable options, priced at around $100. Another is the Trezor Wallet. The Trezor Model T, on the other hand, is a more advanced wallet that offers advanced security features, such as two-factor authentication and a color touchscreen. It's priced at around $150. Also, there's the KeepKey wallet. KeepKey gives you the autonomy to safely manage your digital assets. It supports 7,000 plus cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with popular wallets and services, putting you in total control of your investment. Each wallet has its own features and price point. The KeepKey crypto wallet costs about $49. Always set a strong PIN on your hardware wallet. When you set up your hardware wallet, you'll be given a seed phrase, which is a list of 12 or 24 words. Write this down and store it in a safe place. This is your backup in case you lose your wallet. What happens if your hardware wallet is lost or stolen? Don't panic. As long as you have your seed phrase, you can recover your funds. You simply need to buy a new hardware wallet or use a compatible software wallet and restore your wallet using the seed phrase. Now that you know all about the best crypto hardware wallets and why they're so important, wouldn't it be great to learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on an exchange? Check out this video right here, where we cover all about cryptocurrency exchanges.